Morning broke on the coastline, golden light on the rising tide. I walked down to the shoreline where the cliffs and the ocean collide. With the wind in a whispering chorus and the world waking soft and slow, I let my DJI Mavic 3 Pro soar, chasing gulls in the amber glow. And it rose like an eagle in the cool sea air, drifting over Sandymouth without a care. From the breakers rolling to the far headland, it painted shadows on the shining sand. Oh, I felt so free watching it roam, my little silver bird finding its way home. Long stretches of wild horizon where the waves carve stories in stone. I traced every rugged angle from a sky I could never own. It danced with the drifting sunlight as the surf sang soft below. Every frame was a memory rising in the lens of my Mavic 3 Pro. And it rose like an eagle in the cool sea air, drifting over Sandymouth without a care. From the breakers rolling to the far headland, it painted shadows on the shining sand. Oh, I felt so free watching it roam, my little silver bird finding its way home. Up where the cliff winds wander, where the long day's shadows lead, I saw the world grow wider than I knew it could ever be. And for a moment I was flying right beside that steady glow. The weight I'd been holding let go in the undertow. Yeah, it rose like an eagle in the cool sea air, sailing over Cornwall like it belonged there. With the day unfolding like a painted scroll, and the tide keeping time with my wandering soul. Oh, down on the shore I was never alone, with my drifting, dreaming Mavic 3 Pro. Sunset fell on the water and the sky turned to burnished gold. I brought it back to my open hands, but a part of me stayed out in the cold. Still soaring high over Sandymouth where the wild Atlantic rolls.